Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what we need to do is to install Java Development Kit. This is required by BlueJ. If you don't have JDK installed, you can install it by this command. Download IDE. To download Bluej IDE, visit the official BlueJ website. You can find it on the description. Install BlueJ IDE after the downloading by running the following command. Now you can launch this IDE once the installation is completed. Just open your desktop and looking for this application. If you have any question, leave them in a comment.